City staff are often required to look up and visualize various sites on the map. This functionality is called geocoding. Traditional ArcGIS software requires access to software, considerable technical knowledge, and time to prepare the address data that can be read on a map. The address mapping tool simplifies this process by simply pointing to an Excel spreadsheet where all the required addresses are copied in a single cell format. The user will have to click on the Upload Excel button and point to the spreadsheet with pre-configured addresses. The map portal will automatically geocode all the addresses and display them on the map instantaneously. Users can interact with the geocoded address points by clicking on them individually, and the map portal will auto-center and zoom to their location. The address points will stay on the map until either the map is refreshed or the Clear button on the results window is clicked.
ENCODE Plus is so much more.